If Google Calendar keeps showing a revert to server error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast without needing any advanced tech skills. We'll start with the easiest test first, then move into clearing browser data and checking whether your bookmark is causing the issue. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Let's jump in. First, try opening Google Calendar in an incognito or private window. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and N. This opens a fresh browser session without your usual cookies, extensions, or saved site data getting in the way. Once the private window opens, go straight to calendar.google.com and see if the calendar loads properly. If Google Calendar works in incognito mode, that's a strong sign the issue is being caused by a browser extension, corrupted cache, or some saved site data in your regular browser. If it does work in incognito mode, the next step is to clear your browser cache and cookies for Google Sites. This is one of the most effective fixes for revert to server errors because old or broken browser data can conflict with Google Calendar loading correctly. Open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and clear cookies and cached files. If your browser gives you the option, make sure you clear data related to Google, or at least the last cached files and cookies. After clearing the data, close the browser completely, reopen it, and try loading Google Calendar again. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. Now let's check something a lot of people overlook: your bookmark. If you normally open Google Calendar from a saved bookmark, that bookmark may contain a broken or expired session token. Over time, old bookmarks can lead to weird login or redirect errors, including this revert to server message. To rule that out, delete the bookmark completely, then do not use the saved link. Instead, manually type calendar.google.com directly into your browser's address bar and press enter. This forces the browser to load a clean version of the site, rather than relying on an outdated shortcut. If the manual link works, go ahead and create a brand new bookmark from the fresh page so you don't run into the same issue again later. If it still doesn't work, try disabling browser extensions one by one, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or any extension that changes how websites load. Since incognito mode disables many extensions by default, this is often the real reason the problem disappears there. So to recap, the fastest way to fix Google Calendar revert to server error is to test in incognito mode, clear your cache and cookies, and make sure you're not using a broken bookmark. Start with the incognito test because that tells you very quickly whether the problem is local to your browser. Then clear your browser data, and finally open Calendar by typing the address manually. If this tutorial helped you get Google Calendar working again, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple fix-it guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.